Hinton with Those Hinton Kids. Today we're gonna make some chicken wings with rice and corn cob. So first we're gonna start off making our family spice recipe. No, I can't tell you it's a family recipe. Now we're just gonna take our spoon and mix it up. Now we're just gonna sit in some salt water to clean it, get the blood off of it for 30 minutes. Whoops. Okay. This is too much chicken. You see all this chicken? That is too much. And now we're gonna take the salt and then we're gonna pour it inside the bowl. Now when we're waiting for our chicken to get clean and tall, we're gonna work on our flour mince. Our two sides are rice and corn on the cob. Now we're gonna make our own Hinton style marinade for the corn. A drop of vanilla extract and a dash of cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, now our chicken is ready to be seasoned. We're going to use our blend that we used earlier. Whoa. This is the last one. Now when the chicken's cooking, we're going to get started on the rice. Now we're going to start the corn on the cob. Now we're going to set our corn and here on top of our butter, just like this. We just took it out of the oven. Now we're going to put our Hinton glaze on it. Dip it. It's like painting on it. Now we have the butter and the glaze on it. Now we're going to pop it back in the oven. Now the end is all done, and now I'm going to taste this gold chicken. See, look at it. Already cooking, all done, and the plate's all set. Okay, I'm about to take a little bite of this. Oh, you see it, a little hot sauce on it too. Yeah, I love hot sauce. That tastes so awesome! This is so good. I love this chicken that we made. The flavor that we put in. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again. Bye bye.